Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 20th, 2018, and these are the carrots that are in the garden trough here. And I wanted to show you, now I did thin these out, I did a video on that. So I wanted to show you here. I was looking at it today and I could start to see some carrot tops. Right there's one right there. And there's some more down here where you can start to see the tops of the carrots. So that's a good thing. Our carrots are starting to form for us here. More so since they've been thinned. Now, so I just wanted to give you that quick video update there. I'm going to try and get out of the light here so you can see them better here. There's the carrot top there. There's one over here. Actually, you know what? Let me pull this one out here. There we go. You can see the carrot there. I'll have this one tonight with supper. And then that's going to... Ooh, it's stuck. Go. Oops. That's going to allow this carrot over here now to grow larger because I took that one out. So I'm going to fill back in the soil that I took out. And this has pretty good root system in here. I can feel the roots. You can see these two here. These are growing pretty close together here. So I'm going to take this one here out. Do a little bit more thinning there. That's a smaller carrot there. Still going to be good eating. Fill this back in here. So there's definitely a benefit to when you thin your carrots because you've seen how small they were before I thinned them. And they're thin now, so you can see how much difference the growth is on them. So I'm going to clean this one here off some. I'll be taking them in, putting them in the refrigerator in a bag. And I will take the tops off of them outside. I'll probably take it off right about here. I can't do that on camera because I'm holding the camera. And then I'll put them in a bag, put them in the refrigerator, and then wash them up with cold water and make them tonight with supper. Looking to see if there was any more that I could show you, but I don't see any more here. Here's one here. This is one of the purple carrots here. These still are small. They're small because they're growing back against the board here, and the roots aren't getting a chance to go down and do anything because it goes down into a V and we have to fill it up with more soil so that the carrots along the sides have an opportunity and a chance to grow. Another way around that would be if you grew like a shorter variety of carrots, like one of the thumb carrots or something like that. So I'll give you a quick show of the garden trough here. We have our kale here that's ready to pick again. And we have our lettuce here, it's still going. It did kind of get a little strong on us. We did actually cut some yesterday, but it's still going here for us. My radishes back there, they have gone to seed. I left them go to seed so I could get the seeds off of them for next year or for more plantings this year. This is my butter crunch lettuce back here. This is still the loose leaf lettuce blend that I started out with. Over here we have the watermelon radishes growing. And back here. So that's a quick update on how the garden trough is doing. I do have to water it quite frequently because it's drying out from when the sun comes out and it gets hot out. So you do have to check on it for water and keep it nice and watered. The carrots, I've been keeping those watered because carrots, your root crop vegetables, they need their water. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell us I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.